So today I'm going to unbox this. This is one of the party banner and I guess signature for the graduation party. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. My wife got this, so I'm not sure what is inside. So let's go ahead and open this up. Advice for the graduate. Got 2 packs of this. This looks like a balloon tape, or it says glue. Anyway, this thing doesn't do so well. If you put this on the balloon, make sure it doesn't get on your carpet. Once you get on your carpet, it's gonna be like sticky like a slime. So I might tell my wife to return this. And this I made in China. And let's go ahead and open this one. I believe this is the banner. So it says grad, and the other side says 2021, class of 2021. So you got the tape, black, gold, and then silver balloons. So this other tape that has a circular dot, but this one comes with it already, so and these are the cutout letters. 2 of the R, A, class, 21, G, OF, A, why is there 22? Uh-oh, I think they screwed up. It's supposed to be 2021, not 2022. Oh, 21's right here, so I guess you could use it for next year if you have another kids that's gonna graduate next year. I'm not sure what is this one. Is it a picture frame or what is this? Oh, it's like a see-through box. That's a lid. Cool. So you got this box with the see-through windows. Except the bottom. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 of the boxes. Alright. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Like always, peace.